Hi, hi everyone. This is LangChain, and welcome to my Agents Intensive Capstone project. So, before I start with the project demo and some test cases, let me give you a brief about it. Let me talk about the background. Um, every day, millions of people encounter news online through different news platforms as well as social media platforms. But how do we exactly know that which news are true and which ones are false? And statistically speaking, misinformation spreads 6 times faster than the accurate information on social media platforms. So, additionally, if we perform manual fact checking, it is quite cumbersome task and it makes it quite slow and error prone. So that's where the problem exists. Now, to solve this issue, I would like you to introduce my project, that is this fake news detection agent. So this is an AI powered multi-agent system which automatically checks if the news or facts presented are true or false. Now, instead of manually spending hours verifying claims, these interconnected agents do it by searching the knowledge base as well as performing a web search. All right, so let me give you a brief about the workflow and the system architecture. Now, this is just an overview of how the pipeline has been set up. So as you can see, there's a user interface where the user sends the query, which straight goes to the ingestion agent. Now, this ingestion agent extracts the text from given URL or news content and then sends to claim extraction agent. So this claim extraction agent identifies the key factual claims to verify. And the next is the verification agent, which specifically searches the FAISS knowledge base as well as perform a Google search simultaneously for supporting or refuting the evidences that has been retrieved. The next comes the aggregator agent, which combines all that evidence into an intelligent verdict based on some scores, based on some logic. And then this whole sequential agent orchestrates the complete pipeline. So this parallel as well as sequential approach is way faster than just asking a single LLM to do everything. Okay, so let me show you the demo of the project. So this is the fake news detection agent, which I have deployed it on Hugging Face space. And here is the UI of it. It's simple chatbot where the user can paste any article as well as the URL. So here you will be getting the results. You'll also get the agent thinking process where what the agent is performing in the background. You'll be able to see. So let's paste a claim. So the claim is a compass wouldn't work if Earth is spherical, which is wrong. We know that. So let's verify this. So it is processing, and you can see the logs of what it is doing in the background, and it's basically finding evidence to support it or refute it. So the pipeline is completed and we got the result. So as you can see, the overall verdict is false, which is what we wanted. And the final assessment is also false, and the confidence score is 0.95, which is 95%. So you can also see the agent thinking process in here, like what the agent is doing in the back. So it started the verification, extracted the claims, retrieving the evidences, as well as evaluating those claims, comparing it side by side, and then providing the final verdict based on some score. This is the complete project, um, and that's all. Yeah. Thank you so much.